Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX square for neon. We got 108. Here we goes. Awesome catch. To catch this heritage unit once again back in service after its repair a few weeks ago earlier this month, because we all know earlier this month Heritage 108 broke down on 63 at milepost 9, between milepost 99 and 98, because it had engine trouble with my engineer friend, and he couldn't and then he came on the radio saying he was stalled in the water. He didn't mean he was in the water. He just meant he broke down, stalled on the tracks, and stuff, and but he got back on the move, helped by Amtrak Heritage 46 that came to the rescue that day, and it helped. 46 helped it the rest of the way on the Maple Leaf, and it helped it on the Lakeshore Limited a few days, weeks later too, after the Maple Leaf days on 63 and on 64, but then finally brought it to the shop finally. So it's good to see it, so it can get its repair done from what happened to it on it a few weeks ago at the beginning of this month. And we all know too that it's K5LA. It used to have a dark sound, but now it has a light. But now its horn sounds different. Too, these nowadays. We like the old horn better, but somehow they didn't want to I guess they wanted to replace it or something, or maybe it's the same horn, it just doesn't sound good due to old age, because some train horns don't sound good due to old age, or they just been replaced. And maybe this one, it seems like it's just been replaced, probably too, but it's new horns alright too.